What is up guys, Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word for Mac and PC. So first you need to head over to the Microsoft Accounts website and then you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. And after that, on the left side, you will see this Microsoft App Launcher. From here, you need to click on that and then go to the Microsoft Word. And then in the new tab, Word for Web will open. From here, you will see the dashboard wherein there are multiple recommended templates and multiple documents. From here, we need to click on create a blank document. And after clicking on creating document, the document editor will open. From here on the right side, you can see this add-in section. Click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, the Grammarly extension is already here. Just click on it once and then it will open the Grammarly. So to open it, you first need to make sure that you have already installed the Grammarly extension on your browser. And after that, you just simply need to log into Grammarly. And after logging into Grammarly, you will be able to access and add Grammarly to the Microsoft Word in Mac and PC. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.